New developments tonight involving a Midland man convicted of starting a fire that killed 3 of his family members. Garland Leon Martin, also known as Butch, has been locked up in prison since 1999 for capital murder. But after reviewing his case, the Texans Innocent Project got to work on trying to free him. Today, a Midland County judge officially recommended to the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals that Martin be exonerated and have a new trial. News West 9's Christina Burgess spoke with family members and friends of Martin's late wife, Marcia Pool. And Christina, they aren't feeling too good about this judge's recommendation.
Well, yeah, Alex, this recommendation comes after the May 2020 hearing where evidence was brought forth to a Midland County judge to look into the original trial. Now today, with this judge's decision, Marcia's surviving daughter, Brittney Freeman, and a family friend, Misty Burch, are speaking out against it.
And then she passed away whenever I was 6.
Brittney Freeman was only a child when her mother, Marcia Pool, and 2 siblings, Brady and Kristen, died in a house fire in Midland.
I knew that my brother and my sister and my mom had passed away. I remember going to the funeral and my dad was there with me and he was just telling me, they've gone to heaven and, this is just kind of where we're at.
Now, over 20 years later, Brittney's disappointed to hear that Butch Martin, the man charged with their murder, could be exonerated.
I'm very frustrated that I had no information at all. We are waiting on the district attorney to return our calls to kind of see where we go from here, because if there is another trial, I would definitely like to hear his side of the story, his being Butch. But I want to be able to see for myself, because it did happen whenever I was so young. And so I want to see all of the facts.
Misty Burch, a family friend of Marcia, was also shocked and saddened by this news.
This is not the outcome that we wanted. This is not the outcome that should be happening. It's really, really hard. And, just like last time when we did this story before, it opened up a lot of wounds. And today I've canceled my plans today.
With this decision being one both women aren't in full agreement with, they're still hopeful.
I am hoping and praying with every fiber of my being that he doesn't get out and that they get justice.
Now that this is in the hands of the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals, it is unknown how long it will take for them to make their decision on this case.